In 2025, here's what you get for your money. Gaming PCs for every budget. Got $1,000, $1,500, almost $2,000? Let's break it down. Starting off with the budget build at $925 or 884 pounds, you're looking at a solid 1080p gaming setup built with modern hardware. We've got the Intel i5-13400F paired with the Radeon RX 7600 XT, perfect for esports and AAA titles on medium to high settings. The Fantex G400A case delivers clean airflow, and the Be Quiet 750-watt power supply keeps everything stable. Storage? A speedy 1TB WD-SN7100 SSD. And memory? 16 gigs of Team Group DDR4 RAM. Simple, fast, and super efficient for the price. How much did you spend on your gaming PC? Let me know in the comments. If your budget is more than the $925 or 884 pounds, check my channel to see the other options.